Hey guys, and welcome. Tonight we are over here at the Grand Floridian Villas. Now this is the DVC section of the Grand Floridian, and it's over near the wedding pavilion. Now this resort actually shares this little pool and the kiddie pool right here. So this little kiddie pool is shared with the main part, the big Grand Floridian over here to the left. And they actually just got done redoing that. That's the Mad Hatter little section. And then over here is the DVC side pool. So each part of this resort has their own pool. This is a little pool, but it's got a lot of character to it. Now, if you guys get a chance to get over here, I do recommend coming out at nighttime. Now, most of these pools are really, if you look at some of the smaller ones, they're nothing special. But you put the lights around it, you put that little, you got the little rock ledge out in the back with the waterfall, have all these lights coming down, and this pool is transformed into something really cool, really magical. It's just a beautiful pool. They got their own little bar out here, so when you guys are back here, you'll see this little bar. And this is part of the pool, so if you guys want to get something to snack on, something to drink, it's right there. And it overlooks the whole Seven Seas Lagoon. And then you've got the, that's actually the DVC resort part of it. You got the monorail coming in. You got the ladder, the little, little bridge in the background there. But take a look at the pool. It's actually really awesome. The scenery,
you do with the Magic Kingdom.
Monorail coming in. Yep. You've got the Grand Floridian, and that was just recently had a lot of work done to it. But this here, you walk around the back, and you can walk right underneath this waterfall. So it's basically just a tiki sheet pool, or a tiki pool. You put the waterfall, the little rock ledge in the back, and the little bridge on there, and you're going into this really beautiful. And if I was to want to swim through this pool, this is the top of coming down here. Everybody's coming out to eat dinner, out to the parks, look at the pool. It's really nice. You got a lot of places to swim in here. And this is just a really incredible pool for the kids to come over. So if you guys get a chance, this might be a resort you want to think about booking and staying over here. During the day, you do have these little tents you can rent over there. But here's another look down. You've got the bar straight across over there. You do have the pool with the waterfall coming out. At nighttime, you got the lights up in the background there, and you can play all this background music and stuff like that. But look down, you got a little mini slide back there. It's just a cool little pool. Yeah, so it's not too much space to cover. And if you guys are over here at the Grand Floridian, I do recommend walking over here, taking a peek at this little pool back here. And I'd walk right over to the DVC side of the actual resort, the Grand Floridian Villas they call it. And I'd walk right through there because you can just walk on in, take a peek around, see what they got to offer over there. It's a pretty little resort and stuff like that. But right now we're making our way out. So this is about it for this little pool back here. But we wanted to get it out. We've had a lot of people asking us to get over here and get this one done. So finally we're over here. We're getting it done. I wanted to do it at nighttime. I think this does it more justice than during the day and stuff like that. And here's another look at the little Mad Hatter section. But we'll see you guys. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one, guys.